Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, we've got some Mopar muscle for you today. A 1970 Dodge Coronet with the Super Bee package. Nice, clean, solid car throughout. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, look at the pictures. You'll find a price tag on this car and every car that we have for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you click on that bell icon so you're notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, when I say it's solid, the underneath looks really good. It looks to be all original metal, the floors, the frame rails, the rockers, even underneath the lower quarters here, all nice, clean metal. It's got drum brakes all around. They work real well. Looks like the shocks have been replaced not that long ago. They're air shocks in the back. Dual exhaust system, Flowmaster mufflers. I think it's got the chrome square tips coming out the back here. Yep, they're down there. Fuel tank's been replaced. That's nice and clean. Bottom of the motor, you look up at the motor, it's clean. It's maybe a few years ago, but it's not greasy. The transmission is a 727 automatic. That also looks clean. Looks like a custom drive shaft, maybe a chrome moly drive shaft, and an 8 3/4 rear end in the back. So underneath is just solid, respectable, nice underside. The body looks great from what I've seen. Let's check it out a little closer. No issues. The roof is straight. This whole sail panel, all this is excellent. The trunk lid is straight, fits nice. Looking down the side of the car, it's really straight. I mean, it really is. The gaps, real nice. There's no bubbles down here at all. All nice and clean. The lines are nice. Actually, I'm getting kind of excited here. His body is really, really nice. It has the Super Bee hood with the scoops and the pins. Straight, clean metal. Fits square and flush. Laser beam straight. No rust, no damage. It all lines up real nice. Has the pen star on the one side here. The rockers, doors clean. Even though the line right around here is smooth. Not a bubble anywhere that I found. This is all real nice. Yeah, I'm going to say the body's exceptional. That's a really clean body. And the clean floors, it all makes sense. I bet this was a Western car or something to be this clean. Now the paint, it's a dark metallic green. I don't remember the name offhand. It has a really nice finish. The metal flake is laid out evenly everywhere. There's no mismatched color, no cloudy spots. And then it's polished to a nice like factory car finish. There's a little bit of texture like your new car would have. Another wet sand and a buff could make it like glass if you wanted. But the paint's real slick. I don't even see any real flaws. There's a tiny nick down here, small one. Yeah, I mean the paint's really sharp. I'm sure there's a few other minor flaws, but it's slick looking. The actual scoops aren't as slick as a car. Maybe they were painted later, not buff. They got more texture on them. 383 Magnum emblem. The wheels, they really jazzed the car up. 15-inch chrome Magnum 500 wheels with radial red line tires. They're looking really sharp, a little bit beefier in the back. Original bumpers. They got a little bit of patina on them to let me know they're original, but they're really nice. Yeah, both of them are in really good shape. The rubber gasket behind it is in good shape. The grills look to be good original. Windshield's original. There are some faint wiper marks and a few rock nicks. All this stainless trim is all nice and straight and shiny. Looks like it's original, so it's not show quality, but it's very nice. Got a spoiler on the back. You got the Bumble Bee stripe in excellent shape. Here's a couple small nicks in the paint, little ones. Tail lights are original, does have a little bit of pitting. This bumper has been rechromed though. And then this aluminized panel is in really nice shape. They get beat up. That one's real nice. All right, let's open it up. Check it out inside. See what it looks like in the trunk. Okay, under the trunk lid is painted real nice. Looks like it was plum crazy purple at one time, or at least this trunk lid, because the paint's flaked off. There's a little bit of purple showing there. I didn't see it anywhere else though. The jamb is okay. There's some paint flaked off in here, and that's black underneath there, black primer. The trunk compartment, nice. Looks like a new trunk pan is put in here, so it's really pristine. They have this insulation just to help keep the moisture at a minimum. Got a new trunk mat. Weather strip is replaced. So a good solid trunk compartment. Big enough too. Door jambs are real nice. Bottom lip of the door is clean, no rust. The weather strips are replaced. Door panels in excellent shape. Actually, I'm sure they've been replaced. The green, all the green trim is painted inside. Dash pads real nice. The whole instrument panel, it's not cut, broken, beat up. It's just good original. Does have an aftermarket stereo. A little touch-up paint will go with it. Do have a gauge cluster, Sun Pro gauges down below. We also have embroidered Super Bee mats. Carpet looks new. Does have bucket seats. They look nice and plump. The cushion is great. The upholstery's redone. Back seat also looks like it's reupholstered. Yep, real nice shape. Nice cushion. The rear speaker shelf, the headliner, visors, all that's excellent shape. Dome light works. I see seat belts for the front seats. I don't know if it's got them for the back. They might be under the seat. Yeah, nice, clean, tidy interior. It's a sharp-looking car. There's a nice green and the body style and the spoiler and the stripe and the wheels. 383 motor, does have a high torque starter underneath it. Does have an Edelbrock intake with a Holley carburetor. Some Mopar valve covers, the dual snorkel air cleaner with the crinkle finish paint. It was an air-conditioned car originally. The AC is not hooked up. Does have a set of headers. Looks like new spark plugs, new plug wires. Gentleman we got it from, he is a repeat customer. He's owned it 2 years. He's driven it and enjoyed it. So we got the horns. Alternator looks pretty new. We do have an extra electric fan in front to keep it cool. We got power steering. We have a battery disconnect switch. We got manual brakes there. The engine bay is clean. Here's the original tag, and him and I were wondering what this here means. I'm sure the Mopar experts or maybe some of our YouTube fans can tell us what that extra tag is for. And then the VIN number is also stamped here, matches the car. So a good engine compartment. This is not show quality, but it's nothing to be ashamed of either. There you go. This one here is a Super Duper Bee. I think it's a pretty cool car. Don't get a lot of Mopars through here. Good solid Mopars are hard to come by too. I gave you my impression. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it if you need it at volocars.com. Really hope you're enjoying the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one coming in. Thanks for watching.